welcome back to my channel, and today it's slime time! Today we're making 2 slimes, 1 crunchy and clay slime. I've made crunchy slime before, but not clay, so I'm really excited. And if you can see, I have a little item that I got from one of the previous videos. Go check that one out. Push the like button. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna put the glue. That should be. The activator. So I decided to use my spoon because I don't want to over activate it. That should be good. You can already see it turning this clump to my spoon. It's starting to activate as it's springy. Very springy. That means it's almost there, but not quite. Okay, I got it to where it's on my hands now. Now, I am going to make the crunch. Yeah, I'm going to make the crunchy slime. But because I have white foam balls and it's just going to be white, I'm going to add blue food color and give it color. Just a drop. There. I like when it turns light blue. That's my favorite part about it. Okay, that's the blue I wanted. Now I'm gonna set it down. Let's flatten it. Then we're gonna add the foam balls. Oh. I'm gonna add more as I go. You don't want to add too much because then it won't stretch as much, and your foam balls would just fly out when you stretch it. Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. Looks beautiful. It reminds me of a winter wonderland. That's my first slime. It looks amazing. It feels so good. And it's super stretchy. So I'm gonna put it in one of my heart containers. And it's overflowed. So what I do is I actually take some out of it. And then I actually like pat it down, and I might add more to it. And then there you go. I got a little heart. You want to make sure your lid's on tight, because if you don't put a lid on tight, it will dry out, and no one wants to dry out slime. So I got my first slime. It looks amazing. Put that there. Now, put this little part to the side. And now I am going to make the clay slime. And I'm basically doing the same thing, but then at the end, instead of adding foam balls, I'm going to add the clay. That should be enough. Whoa, it's already starting to clump up. Okay, I am done with it. It's all finished. It's super good. It's so stretchy too. So now I'm gonna add the clay. I got perfect. The reason I didn't put blue food coloring is because I've noticed that when I put the clay inside the slime, I feel like it would turn purple. So it's like science is like. Okay, so I'm gonna take away purple and then add it. Wow, that was cool. Like I suspected, it's turning purple. I'm gonna add more because it looks more white than purple. So I can see like strands of purple coming in. It's like a light purple. I like that purple. But I'm gonna add a bit more so it won't be as white. It's so cool. It turned out amazing. This might be my favorite slime. Now I'm gonna put it into my container. It is. Get my heart. I'm gonna push it down to the bottom so there's like no cracks in there. There it is. Looks cute. I'm gonna smush it. There you go. Now I have two slimes. Oh, a crunchy slime and a clay slime. Go follow me on Instagram or my TV and go like these photos. I'll be posting photos on Instagram. Well, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Bye! Whoa.